How do I install a VSIX file in Visual Studio? I just downloaded a VSIX file from the Visual Studio gallery. How do I install it in Visual Studio?
VSIX is a Visual Studio extension installer. You must have Visual Studio 2010 or newer in order to install them, but you should be able to install it by double-clicking the VSIX file. Alternatively, you should be able to install it from within the VSIX Extension Manager, Tools, Extension Manager. See more about VSIX files at Quan2's Visual Studio Extensibility blog.
The above answers didn't help me. I couldn't install it through the extension manager and there was not default application for .VSIX. However, I needed to open it. Right-click is greater than, open with ... with Microsoft Visual Studio version selector, and it worked. Small update. For VSIX 2013, you need the corresponding version of NuGet, this URL. Otherwise, the version selector will tell you it's already installed on all fitting versions.
How to install Visual Studio extensions. To summarize, there are three options. Install via Extension Manager, Tools/Options. Install via visualstudiogallery.com. Download and open directly or save then double-click. Install via Scopy into %local app data %per.
If all the above options fail, try installing it from the VSIX developer command line. Here's how on Stack Overflow. How to install Visual Studio Gallery extensions from command line. VSIX installer \quietsum_extension.6. You can find VSIX installer here on your local PC, depending on the Visual Studio version. Replace 14.0 by the version you're using. C:\program files, x86 /Microsoft Visual Studio 14.0 /Commons 7 /IDE. To display the installer dialogs, remove the /quiet option. Note: to uninstall a VSIX extension, you need to know it's fixed. Here is described how to get it, then you can use VSIX installer \uninstall fixed. To install/uninstall VSIX files for a specific Visual Studio version, use the switches /name column name and /version column version. You can see all options of the command line tool. If you type VSIX installer dex ? in the developer command prompt.
I för att vänta support denne, läser från Cybersubscribing.